welcome back. It's football time now on Youth Folio. Enjoy.
The Guwahati Sports Association recently organized the RG Barua Super Division Football League at Nehru Stadium, Guwahati, which witnessed eager participation from 8 clubs of the state, including the Northeast Frontier Railway Sports Club, Assam State Electricity Board Sports Club, Dynamo Club, Guwahati Town Club, Sunrise Athletic Club, Navajyoti Club and the FC Green Valley. This single-leg league championship will be followed by the much-awaited Bodoloi Trophy from the 18th of September and the ISL from the 1st of October. Football lovers thus have much to look forward to in Guwahati if they want to see the matches in the stadium. Else, one can watch the matches live on TV.
फुटबॉल का फ्यूचर तो अभी तो हो ही रहा है, देख रहा है आईएसएल तो हो रहा है। आईएसएल में इंडिया का सबसे बेसी ऑडियंस हुआ है, इसलिए फुटबॉल में बहुत पॉपुलर हो रहा है असम में अभी। और 1 अक्टूबर से असम में ही ओपनिंग मैच होगा आईएसएल का।
The All Assamese Student Association of Delhi recently celebrated their freshers' meet. Singing sensation Zubin Garg came and sang in the event. We bring you some glimpses from the show.
Music, dance, mime show and a full-fledged musical extravaganza by Zubin Garg were all packed in a gala freshers meet called Festival 2016, held on the 26th of August, organized by the All Assamese Students Association of Delhi to welcome college freshers to the national capital. The show started with introduction of freshers. The newcomers were given a good platform to showcase their talents. Some danced, some played the guitar,
would you want me if I'm not myself? Standing on when I am someone else.
some sang,
जीने के लिए सोचा ही नहीं, दर्द संभालने होंगे, मुस्कुराने की कर्ज उतारने होंगे, मुस्कुराऊं कभी तो लगता है जैसे होठों पे कर्ज रखा है।
some mouthed monologues,
थारी लुगाए तो लागे मारी जैसे, पर मैं थारी लुगाए ना। तुम्हारा नाम है कुमारी कुसुम सांगवान, यो हमारी सहेली पिंकी। हम रामजिस कॉलेज दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी पढ़ू, स्पोर्ट्स कोटे से एडमिशन लिया, नेशनल लेवल की एथलीट तो जिला जहाज बड़ा 45 जिलों सा और फोन नंबर में 2 कोना।
The platform was wide.
है बाबू
हाथ लगे
बाबूरुंगा, है बाबूरुंगा, जात ना बला फूलो ना बला, खबरन बनाने लागमन खा, है लागमन खा।
Finally, the judges chose Priyakhi Khonikor as Miss Fresher and Bohmiman Saikia as Mr. Fresher. Prantika Oja, who performed a dance on the occasion, was chosen for wearing best costume. The freshers who have come to Delhi said that they chose to come out of their state despite the presence of good colleges and university in Assam, as they were keen to widen their exposure and avail of the unsurpassable opportunities that Delhi offered.
All the students from Assam, they should come here to pursue their higher studies, because it's a very, people get so much of opportunities here. So after their class 10 or class 12, they should come here to pursue their higher studies. It's a very big field.
I must say that I have liked the atmosphere a lot. In Delhi, everyone is very cooperative and the people here are very warm. And even the people who are organizing this festival for us, for all the Assamese students, the All Assam Students Association. They have been very kind and very good. And in fact, in our festival today, a major artist, Zubin Garg, is coming to perform for us, and we're really happy and excited for that.
The function included group song, fusion dance, solo dance, and many other cultural programs which were liked by the assembled audience. The high point of the show was the performance of Assamese super singer Zubin Garg, who belted out many of his hit Assamese numbers on the occasion. After many solo songs, he was joined by upcoming Assamese singing sensation Ritrisha Sharma, who has sung for many Assamese films and albums. Zubin, who has also acted in many films and has turned film producer, said that the future of Assamese film industry is bright.
Well friends, it's wrap-up time for our show. But before we go, we would like to ask you a simple question whose answer could fetch the first 3 correct entries with mobile recharges of ₹1,000 each. The contest question is, which football tournament did we show in our episode today? Send in your answers to youth_folio@yahoo.com or SMS to 99540 See you all next Thursday at 7:30 p.m. Until then, goodbye and take care.